Alright, everybody. If you go to CryptoZombies.io, it is the most fun way to learn how to write smart contracts. If you don't know what a smart contract is, basically you make a decentralized app that is immortal, living on millions of nodes, and it cannot be turned off. It's not on a centralized server, and people are making cool things with it. I can make my own cryptocurrency. In this example, we're going to be learning how to make a smart contract on the Ethereum network, which was, of course, the original smart contract network. But there are other, of course, smart contract networks out there available. Give you a brief about myself. I've been programming for maybe more than 15 years at this stage. I have done in-depth smart contract courses before that were quite a headache. This one is fun and easy, and it kind of skips over the initial difficult part of developing smart contracts, gets into just the language part. And I find that that's a good way to learn how to make smart contracts. It's better learn built like this. So after you know the language, and then there's motivation to actually build the app. So I think this is a good way to learn. So you're making a zombie game that's like CryptoKitties. So I recommend this for people. It's an intermediate level of programming. If you just know HTML and CSS, you could learn how to do this. If you know basic JavaScript, yes, this is for you. I'm not calling this intermediate level programming. So if you want to learn about computer programming, this may not be the best thing to start out with. But if you already have a basic of JavaScript, then dive right in. You can see there is these 5 main lessons. Making the zombie, which learning what I'm doing at the moment. Basically doing like arrays, integers, strings. Again, if you're familiar with JavaScript, all this is really easy. Now, I'm signed in with my GitHub account. I think you can sign in with Facebook as well, but I'm signed in with GitHub. You don't need a GitHub account to use this website. You don't need to sign in, but I do because it saves my progress. And this is the basic setup. So this is the work that I've done. I can copy and paste it and put it into my GitHub account. It explains the different functions and what they do. It explains like the language. And then here, that tells you what you need to, the task that they want you to learn. And then you check your answers, and you can either try again or shows you the answers. It's a very easy way to learn how to build smart contracts. That's cool. This is like my 3rd smart contract. Made a calculator, my own cryptocurrency, a zombie game. This is cool. On Telegram, it was built by this company called Loom, LoomExchange.io, LoomX.io. They're working on something that's like the World of Warcraft and Twitter on the blockchain, built on Ethereum. It's going to be so cool. And they have an SDK that I want to download to help you build dApps. So this is a cool company. So thank you very much for building this. So yeah, there you go. So if you want to learn how to build smart contracts, this is your best option. You could do it with you can do it with zero programming knowledge, but I'd say you need at least basic JavaScript. And most importantly of all, live free. Or die trying.